Today I'm checking out this utility cart that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box and check it out. So right out of the box, of course, you get the manual and you get the cart. There is no assembly required because it's just folded up. It's got a plastic bag around it and it's in the box. Let me spread this thing out so you can see it. And there it is. Super easy to fold. It's got this handle right here that you can just lift this handle and lift it up and it folds up. It's got 4 rotating wheels, 2 of which are lockable. Those down there. These other 2 just swivel. And to unfold it or fold it, it's got this piece of Velcro here. So when you fold it up, that Velcro just goes across it to hold it, together, fold it up. When you want to unfold it, you just take that Velcro off, push it down. Really nice 3-level cart. I definitely will have a lot of uses for this in the shop, but this could be used for all kinds of things. You could use this in the kitchen. You could use this at your office, in your garage. I mean, there's just so many reasons to have a cart like this. And the fact that you just pull it up and it folds up nice and flat, you can just stick it out of the way somewhere on the side of your garage. When you need it, you unfold it, you're good to go. So yeah, I really like this thing. I definitely think you will too. And I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.